Assalamu alaikum. Topic under discussion is the taxonomy of the avian reptiles or the birds. Approximately there are 35 orders of the birds and selective orders are discussed here. Class aves. Now what are the general characteristics of class aves? They have four appendages modified as the feathered wings for the purpose of the flight. They have endothermic characteristics, have high metabolic rate. Their neck is flexible, fused posterior vertebrae, and bones are lightened by the numerous air spaces because they have to take flight and they have to lessen their body weight. The skull is lightened by the reduction in the bones and the presence of a horny bill that lack teeth. It is also an adaptation to lessen their body weight. The birds are divided into the superorder Paleognatha. In Paleognatha, order Struthoniformes is included. These birds are large, flightless, and wings with the numerous fluffy plumes. Examples are the ostriches and the rheas. Here you can see that these are the ostriches. These are the large, flightless birds. They have fluffy plumes on their wings. Okay. Next one is the rhea. Sorry, this is not rhea. These are rhea. Although they have similarity with the ostriches, but these birds are smaller than ostriches. They have different, and they're the native of the South America. These birds are smaller than ostriches, although both are included in same order, and both are flightless birds, and both are heavy weighted. Their weight is also less than weight and height is less than ostriches. Okay, next is the superorder Neoidea Galanoensis order Anseriformes, waterfowl, South American screamers, duck, geese, and swans. These are included. The later three groups possess a wide flat bill and an undercoat of dense down webbed feet. These three animals are included in the waterfowls. And how can you differentiate between the duck, geese, and swans? Ducks are smaller, and geese and swans have 17 to 24 bones in their neck, and ducks have 16 bones in their neck. Here you can see that these are the screamers. Okay, next these are the geese. These are their size is larger than the birds, larger than ducks. And these are the swans. See how beautiful this creature is. See. And both three animals, ducks, geese, and swans, they have webbed feet because their habitat is to swim on the water, and this is an adaptation for this lifestyle. Okay. Next is the order Galliform is landfowls, short beak, short concave wings, strong feet and claws. Crossos, grouse, quail, pheasants, and turkeys are included in it. These are the curassow. Here you can see a very beautiful bird in black color. Okay, next one is the grouse. Here you can see the grouse. This is the quail. These are the pheasants. All of you are familiar with the pheasants. When we visited various sanctuaries, we visited Loibir Wildlife Park as well as Ayub Park in Islamabad. And these animals were present in that territories. These are the turkeys. Most of the people eat also meat of turkey. Okay, next is the Neo-aves order Podicipediformes. They have short wings, soft and dense plumage is present over their body, webbed feet with the flattened nails, and examples are the gruffs. Okay, these are the gruffs. Okay, next is the order Phanicopteriforms, oval-shaped body with pink or crimson red feathers, black flight feathers, exceptionally long legs and necks, large bill curved downward in the middle, upper bill is smaller than the lower bill, and examples are the flamingos. Okay, this one is the flamingo. Next is the order Columbiforms, dense feather loosely set in the skin, well-developed crop, pigeons, dove, and sand grouse are included in it. Here you can see this bird is a sand grouse. Okay, next one is these are the doves. Okay. And the next order is the Capri mulciforms. Owl-like head and plumage is present, but they have weak bill and the feet. Beak with a wide gap. Insectivorous, they feed on insects. Examples are the whip-poor-wills, other goatsuckers, swifts, hummingbirds. They were formerly grouped in a separate order, Apodiforms. Now they are included in the same group under the name Capri mulciforms after the molecular studies. So these are the whippoorwills. These are the goatsuckers. These are the swifts. These are the hummingbirds. Hummingbird is a beautiful creature with different colors. Okay, next is the order Gruiforms. Their characteristics are not diagnostic marsh birds, including the cranes, limpkins, rails, and coots. These are the cranes. These are limpkins, and these are the coots. Sorry, rail, and these are the coots. Okay, next order Caradiforms, in which shorebirds, gulls, terns, and auks are included. These are the shorebirds. These are the gulls, beautiful white fluffy bird, and these are the terns, Arctic terns. Next is the order Gabiforms. They have strong straight bill. Diving adaptation include legs far back on the body, blade-like tarsus, webbed feet, and the heavy bones are present. And the example of this order is the loons. These are the loons. Order Pelicaniforms, four toes joined in the common web, nostrils rudimentary or absent, large gular sac, pelicans, boobies, cormorants, anguianas, frigate birds, herons, and ergats were formerly grouped in the separate order. Syconiforms molecular studies have resulted in their being grouped with the pelicaniforms. These are the angias. Assalamu alaikum. Our next order is the order Procalciforms. They have tubular nostrils and large nasal glands are present. Long and narrow wings are present. Examples are the albatrosses, shearwater, and the terrels. Here you can see these are the albatrosses. These are the shearwaters. and these animals are the terrans. Okay. Order spinaciforms. They have heavy-bodied, flightless, flipper-like wings for swimming, and their body is well insulated due to presence of fats. Examples are the penguins. Most of the people are familiar with the penguins. Here you can see that these animals known as the penguins. Order Acipiteri diurnal birds of the prey. It's been their prey in day and night. They have strong hooked beaks, large wings, raptorial feet. This is an adaptation for grasping, distinguished from falconiforms by the molecular characteristics. Hawks, eagles, and the vultures are included. These are the hawks, these are the eagles, and these are the vultures. Vultures feed on the decaying organic matter or dead bodies, or you can say these are helpful in maintaining the ecosystem by removing debris from the earth. Next is the order Strigiforms. Large head with the fixed eyes directed forward, raptorial foot. Owls are included in it. These are the owls, various species of owls. Next is the order Pisiforms. They have long, strong beak, strong legs and feet with the four toes permanently reversed in the woodpeckers, toucans, honey guides, and barbets are included in it. These are the woodpeckers. These are the toucans. Okay, these are the honey guides, and these are the barbets. Next is the order Coraciforms. They have large head, large beak, metallic plumage. Kingfisher, toadies, bee eaters, and rollers are included in it. These are the kingfishers. These are the toadies. These are the bee eaters, and these are the roller birds. And these are the falcons. Next is the order Falconiforms. Strong hooked beaks, large wings, raptorial feet. Falcons are included in it. Next is the order Cetaciforms. Maxilla hinged to the skull. It's mean upper jaw is attached with the skull. Thick tongue, reversible fourth toe, usually brightly colored. Parrot, lorises, and macaws are included. These are the parrots. Various species of parrots are present. These are the loris, and these are the macaws. Macaws are the giant parrots. Next is the order Passeriformes. 69 families of perching birds are including. They have perching foot, variable external features, swallows, larks, crows, titmice, nuthatches, and many others are included. These are the swallows. These are the larks. These are the titmice, and these are the nuthatch. So this is the completion of the birds classification. Thank you.